beautiful beings. My name is Maja. I'm a therapist, writer, and spiritual teacher. Today, in this episode, I will share 7 psychological tricks that will blow you away. To avoid workplace drama and to be liked, compliment people behind their back. Saying "you're right" instead of "I know" makes you look less like an asshole and doesn't diminish something someone else may have just found out. Instead of asking, "Do you have any questions?" ask, "What questions do you have?" The first almost always result in silence, but the second one, help people asking questions. When you have something important to say to your kids or your partner, say it very quietly so that they listen. If you need to de-escalate someone and get them to communicate, ask them questions about numbers or personal information. And when somebody shy speaking, if you look at them and nod your head, it encourages them to keep talking. Say hello to everybody you know and say it with a smile. So little effort for a person to find you friendly. And also, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and to subscribe for more insightful content. And see you in the next episode.